2012 Honda Civic LX. Good looking car. Other than a little boo-boo right there, but it's okay. Got some wheels on it. Let me show you guys what we done. So the converter's all the way up there somewhere. Then 1 3/4 pipe goes all the way back. And then a resonator. Then the piping continues. Then we added 2-inch pipe right there. And then we finished it off in exhaust attic style by putting a massive 5-inch tip. Because, you know, why not? We took the muffler off and put a massive 5-inch roll tip just for the heck of it to see what it sounds like. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think of that sound. But it is a massive 5-inch tip. Look, check it out. It's clean. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And there's the original muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. Stay tuned. Check out that massive 5-inch tip. Pretty good, actually. Not bad. Again. It's deeper. I don't know. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95. I think it'd be a lot louder if they took the resonator off, but they didn't want to do that yet. Yeah, this is cleaner. Okay, go ahead and back it out. Maybe they'll bring it back for the resonator later on. On the Civic, 5-inch tip. See, you don't need a muffler, you just need a tip. Ain't too bad, I like it. Looks good on it too. What do you guys think? I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. The Honda Civic with 5-inch tip. Let's see what it sounds like driving down the road. Not bad.